Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So, this week we want to talk about decluttering when you don't want to. So, easier said than done, organizing and helping other people declutter when it's not your own things is admittedly more easy than decluttering your own things. I'll be the first to admit that. For example, when I'm working through my closet, I have a very small amount of clothing. I'm not a huge, clothing person. However, there are things in there that mean a lot to me. So, just to kind of give you the idea, when we're decluttering, it really just depends on the person. So, we're not going to make you get rid of everything, but we are going to keep you accountable to your goals. If your goals were to downsize, if your goals were to reduce the clutter, if your goals were to set up systems so you can get dressed easily from day to day and get to where you need to be, that's what we're going to try and do. But it doesn't mean you have to get rid of everything, but there might be a better system for those things that you do want to keep. So an example of that in a wardrobe would be maybe some aspirational bins, maybe checking it by seasons. So maybe we have fall, maybe we have winter, maybe we have summer stuff, and pulling what's not necessary for that season out so that you can see what you can wear right now. And then the other thing might be creating memorabilia totes. That's my thing. Like I've got t-shirts from, volleyball in high school and I still love them. So, and it's okay to keep some of that stuff. So I want you to think about decluttering when you really don't want to, and that can actually be the most meaningful. But if you're feeling a little tripped up, let us know. We can definitely help you out. So specifically, let us know if you have any decluttering questions in the comments. Be happy to help out and answer them all. All right, we'll see you next week.